Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, I am going to talk about how we can export the data from Microsoft Excel to another form. So here, today we are going to talk about exporting a data from Microsoft Excel to web form as well as to CSV form. So let's go to the practical screen to see things practically. Let's say I'm having this small Excel worksheet where we are having an annual sales and expenditure data for a particular company. I wanted to send this data to web format as well as CSV format. So if you wanted to send the data in different format, so what we can do is we can go to file, and once you click on the file, you get this backstage view. From the backstage view, you can select save as, and wherever you want to save this file, you can go to that place, and then whenever you get the save as window, from this you can select uh, data for single file web page. So we can select this option, and then here we can select the option either entire workbook or we can have a selected sheet. So let's say we are going for entire workbook. If you have multiple worksheet in a workbook, all data will be exported or published on the web. So we will click on publish option. The moment you click on publish option, you get this kind of detail. So obviously I wanted to send the data clear. So I wanted to publish entire workbook. So I'll select the entire workbook, and then we have to publish it as what name. So obviously we have to give a name. So I have written out here a file name as export underscore web. And obviously extension has to be the MST or MSTML. Then finally, and one more option. Whenever if you wanted that automatically your data should get republished automatically whenever you save it. So you can select this particular option, auto republish every time this workbook is saved, and then we can click on publish option. The moment you click on the publish option, you are able to see your data of Excel has been published on web. Since it is published on the web, so as a web page, so this web page is getting open in front of you within the browser. So right now Internet Explorer browser is open, and within this Internet Explorer browser, I'm able to see the data which was there in this particular Excel worksheet. The same data is available on this particular web page. Now this is the one way by which you can publish your data to the web page. Now we are going to understand how we can export the data into the CSV format. That is called comma separated value format. If you wanted to export your data in CSV format, so what you can do is you can click on file. Again, we can go for save as. Then we can go to an option where I want to save it. And then here you have to select your appropriate format, that is called CSV. And you can mention a name to this particular CSV file. So obviously my file name was export. So here I can write export underscore my CSV, and then extension has to be .csv, and we can click on save. The moment you are going to click on save, it is going to be forwarded. Now we will cross check whether it has been forwarded or not. So I can go to my folder, and you can notice out here I have given a file name as called export underscore my CSV. So if you open it using the open with followed by notepad, so you can see out here your entire data has been saved in a CSV format. Let me reduce the font size. So I have reduced the font size, and you are able to see your data. So this is the column heading, month, sales, and expenditure. This was there in Excel. Just you can revisit Excel. In Excel worksheet, we are having a heading, column heading as month, sales, and expenditure. And within that, we are having 12 rows. So that has been forwarded here into the CSV format. So those 3 column headings are here, and below of that we are having 12 rows for each and every month. So this is the way by which you can forward your data, or you can export your data to a web page. You can publish as a web page, or you can store your data as comma separate value. So let's say, now question comes into why we should do this. Let's say if you have the data and you wanted to forward the data to somebody else, and that fellow is not having MS Office installed in their machine, but still they wanted to see the data. So what I can do is we can extract the data, we can put it in the either single web page form or in the comma .csv format. So they'll be able to see the data which I have, and even they don't have MS Office installed with their system. So that's all for the day. I hope you must have understood this video very well. So I'll be coming with the another video tomorrow with a new and latest update. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment section.